Okay, YouTube, Sterling here, SoCal bee removal and relocation. Here's part 2. We got the irrigation box open, not completely full, maybe halfway full, and got some decent little pieces here. This should be a good transfer into a bee box. Got the bee vac here ready to go. Help the channel, like, share, subscribe. We're gonna just safely and gently vacuum these bees. Help the channel, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. A day in the life of a bee removal expert and a beekeeper. Very few people that do bee removal are actually beekeepers. Support the beekeepers, support live removal. Help the channel.